This is Acadiana's News Channel at 5.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Jim Hummel. Marcel is on assignment. Chris Few, the man shot last week in Marksville, is tonight out of the hospital. Few was seriously injured in that shooting. He was released from the hospital last night and we're told is staying with family members as he recovers. This while the two marshals accused in the shooting and the death of Few's son remain behind bars. Now, the family of Norris Greenhouse Jr. has been trying to get him out of jail, and they were hoping to do so by using property to secure his bond. With that, he could have been released today. But the Avoyelles Parish Sheriff cited a Louisiana law that forbids a lawyer from bonding anyone out of jail, even a family member. Greenhouse's father is an assistant district attorney. But our investigative team found an attorney general's opinion that Greenhouse Sr.'s wife might be able to post the bond. The sheriff is currently consulting with his attorney before moving forward with bond proceedings. But now tonight, new questions surrounding the gag order that's been in place on that case. What can and can't officials talk about? Virtually all of our public records requests have been denied. Officials citing that gag order, even on documents not dealing with the shooting itself. Our Carrie Beal tries to get some clarification from Marksville tonight. Carrie.
The superintendent of Louisiana State Police, Colonel Michael Edmondson, says there has been some confusion about what exactly can be said with this gag order, and that's why he came to the courthouse here to sort it all out. Edmondson says anything that can be used as evidence in the case cannot be talked about because of the gag order.
I know there's some questions about the affidavit of the arrest warrant itself, why that wasn't released, because the information in that affidavit is evidence based on facts that came from the case.
He also says the bond hearing and videotape of the incident are evidence. When asked why the gag order was issued in the first place,
the thing that was explained to me, and when he and I first talked just prior to him issuing it, was because there was so much information said, that the information that came out of that meeting that said that things that happened in the courtroom in the judge's office that were not factual. So he said, look, I want to stick with facts, and the best way to do that is stop talking about the investigation, talking about evidence.
It's unclear if Norris Greenhouse will have the paperwork to bond out Friday morning, but KTC will follow the story, so stay tuned for updates. In Marksville, Carrie Beal, KTC TV3.
And our investigative